Hi families, I am going to just explain to you really quickly what to do with your new iPad that you just hopefully picked up from school. So the first thing that you have to do when you get the iPad after you turn it on is it's going to ask you for a username and password, and that is your LAUSD, your child's LAUSD email and password that I will be sending you later today, or maybe you have it already by now. So you will log in with that information, and then it's going to take you right to this screen. Something pops up and it asks you to enter a passcode for logging in and out of the iPad. It's numbers, 4 or more numbers. So you just have to make up your own passcode. Just make sure you don't forget it. It'll ask you to enter it twice. And once you've done that, you're in. You don't need to connect to Wi-Fi. The iPads have an internal hotspot, so you're already connected to the internet. These iPads do not have an app store. They have something different called the app catalog that you can see on the bottom, or you can see it over here. So the only apps that are on this iPad or that you can put on this iPad are ones that have been entered in that catalog by the district, or they can be added by the administration at Columbus. So right now, there are plenty of apps, and just about everything that we have been using is available in the app catalog except for Smarty Ants, and Miss Mejia is working on adding those now. So I'm going to show you how to add apps from the catalog. You can see on my screen that I already started adding some apps, and they're downloading now. It takes a while. It's not instant, so you have to be patient. It's probably actually faster if you do one and wait for it to load and then do another. But I went ahead and tried to add 5 at a time, so it's taking a while. But I'm going to show you what to do in the app catalog, and then I'm going to end this video, wait till they have loaded, and then I'll make a second video to show you how to log in to all of the apps. So the app catalog, you can see it up here. I'm going to tap on it, and it opens all of these apps that the district has pre-loaded. So you can see it has at the bottom Seesaw Class, which is the one that we use in TK, and it has ST Math, and it has Zoom. Those 3 right there are the critical ones that you really need to do. Oh, and then up here at the top is Clever, and Clever is another one that you definitely need to add. If you have a child in a different classroom or different grade, they might need Google Classroom. And if you are going to install Google Classroom, you should go ahead and install Google Docs and Google Slides and Google Drive, because they kind of all work together. And then you can also add, any of the other ones that you want, like ABC Mouse, if you did the free account, or PBS Kids for games, videos. Schoology is already pre-installed, so if they have the little green button, it means that they were already pre-installed on the iPad. So I'm going to exit out of here, and we'll see how much time we have left for all the apps that I added to be installed. But I'm going to go ahead and click one first, just something so you can see what will happen. So I'm going to say ABC Mouse. So I hit install. It will pop up with this little window, and you just say yes, install. It says it will automatically appear on your device, but it does take a little bit of time. So I'm going to click install. It says processing. All these, and it says down here, your request to install was received. So then if I hit the button on the bottom of the iPad and I go out, eventually I will see it starting to download. So I'm going to end this recording, and then I will start a new recording once these have all loaded, and I will explain to you how to log into the individual apps.